Hello everyone, my name is Sneha Chavan and today I am going to give the overview of pharmacovigilance. Pharmacovigilance, as I told earlier, it is the branch of science which deals with monitoring the safety of drugs. The definition is कि the activities and the science which deals with detection, assessment, understanding, reporting and prevention of the adverse drug effects and other drug related problems. Now, in the pharmacovigilance, there is a certain procedure. Okay, so let's start from the beginning. Suppose there is some adverse effect due to the drug. Suppose there is a patient who has taken the drug and then it has shown some side effects. So the patient, it will go to the HCP. HCP, it is the healthcare professionals. Healthcare professionals means what? The people who are medically qualified are known as HCPs. So those HCPs will give the information about the side effects or the adverse effects which are caused by that particular drug. Also the consumer, he himself can also give the whatever information is there, that is he himself can also report the ADR of the drug. Okay, so the HCP or the consumer, he will give the information to the whatever persons are there in the pharmaceutical companies or whatever the PV team is there, to them. And then this information, it is not in the organized form, so it is called as a source document. Then this source document, it is organized by the PV team and then it is converted into the E2B format. E2B format, it is the standardized format of the report for the we can see the reporting of the adverse effects of the drug. Okay, so then E2B format, then in that format the whatever the adverse drug effects are there, they are sent to the regulatory authorities, and the regulatory authority, it has the power to ban the drug, or we can say to reduce its sell in the market. It is the body, it is the entity which grants permission for marketing the drug, and if the adverse effects are very serious, then it has the power to ban the drug also. Now see, there are various cases in which the problem, that is the adverse drug reaction, it can be serious also. But when we'll say that it is serious, so for that there are 4 criteria. First is the drug, it should cause the death, that it should be fatal. Second is it should be life threatening, whatever ADR is caused, it should be life threatening, it should lead to death, or it should lead to prolonged hospitality, or it should give the congenital defects, birth defects. Okay, so if these criteria are fulfilled, then we can say that the ADR, it is serious. If any one of these criteria is fulfilled, then we can say that ADR is serious. And in the case of serious ADR, it is mandatory to report the ADR in 7 days. If it's life threatening or leading to death, then within 7 days the report, it should be submitted to the regulatory authority. Then, and if it is like we can say non-serious, then it may take like we can say 30 days up to a month to submit the report, but it should be submitted, though it is non-serious, but then also it should be submitted to the regulatory authority. Now see, if you want to report any of the ADR, then there are 4 criteria to be fulfilled. So first is an identifiable patient. Means what? The patient in which the drug that is adverse drug reaction has occurred, his name should be known, that is his initials should be known, his age, his date of birth, and we can say the gender. These all the things are that which should be known while reporting the ADR. So first is an identifiable patient. Second is the suspect drug, the drug which has caused this ADR, the brand name of the drug should be known. Then what ADR are caused, that everything should be known. Third is ki at least one side effect, at least one adverse effect should be caused, then only we can report it, right? And fourth is ki an identifiable reporter. So the person who is reporting the ADR, he should be identifiable, that is his initials, his whatever contact is there, it should be submitted, so that if the PV team it needs any of the other information, then he can contact to the we can say the reporter who has reported the ADR. So these are some of the terms, or we can say some things which are related to the pharmacovigilance. So overall, what the pharmacovigilance means, Kit means ki whatever drugs or medicines are marketed, if there are any side effects, then they have the power to like we can say to take actions against those ideas to prevent them. Okay, so these are some of the things related to pharmacovigilance. Thank you so much.